Oh, you guys coming from another one?
What's up, guys? This video Editerry. Alright, guys, I'm going to show you how to do the static transition like you just seen. If you're new here, subscribe. Please subscribe. I'm going to have a bunch of transitions for you guys and show you how to work it the way I work my videos. Alright, first of all, get your video, okay? Once you get your video, split it. Easy peasy. Alright, now what you want to do is download a static picture. You can get it from anywhere in Google. There you go. Static TV picture. Take any one of these and just download it so you have your picture. Then you want to get the static TV sound. I use freesound.org, TV static. I searched and I just downloaded one of these. This is a free website you can download sounds on and bring those up into your Vegas. And what I did is I took the picture, I put it right there, I split that too, boom, bang. So I split it in two. I try to make them even, but there's different ways you can do it. You can make one longer than the other also. But after you do that, you want your TV sound. I got a long one there. It's okay. We'll split it. Okay. And when I get that sound near, I even it out with the TV static noise. So this is good for like maybe a joke popped up, or somebody said something scary, somebody said something crazy, somebody, you know, about to fall, and you just do it like this. You see? You can even, if you want, you can make them the same by cutting that, holding control, making that happen. And then if you hold control, it will duplicate the things you have highlighted. See? And now you got it evenly spread it. You see that? And you can make it as close as you want it. I'll highlight that. You can move it in more. And it's pretty cool, man. Just like that. Alright? That's how I do my transitions with the TV static. And like I said, it's good for cutting out something said crazy afterwards. But anyway, that's how it's done. And that's how I do it. Subscribe, baby. Give me that like. See you next time.